Ma'am, now that there's so many vaccines that are available, according to Indian Academy of Pediatrics, according to you as a pediatrician, आप एक बारी अगर बर्थ से लेके 5 years of age तक सारे वैक्सीन बता पाओ और कौन सी एज में लेना चाहिए एंड विच वैक्सीन इज अगेंस्ट which disease?
So at birth, before you get discharged from hospital, you should have taken BCG, janam ka tika,
Right, जनम का टीका.
hepatitis B, पीलिया वाला टीका,
Right, right.
then polio drops, है ना?
Polio drops.
This should be complete.
Right. इनफैक्ट इससे भी पहले मैं बोलूंगा कि जब वुमेन प्रेग्नेंट है
हाँ.
तो कौन सा
तो
लें?
suppose in pregnancy, then you should have taken the tetanus के 2 doses.
Right.
तो एक tetanus Tdap होगा,
Okay.
right? So and of course gynecologist flu भी recommend करते हैं, it is recommended है. Then after birth,
After birth. In the baby now.
हाँ बेबी आ गया birth के बाद घर, then usual checkups होते हैं, then 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks के बीच में we'll go for our vaccinations में DPT,
Okay.
है ना? Hib,
Hmm.
H influenza B,
Right.
then injection polio,
Mm-hmm.
then hepatitis B का second dose,
Right.
then the pneumonia,
Yes.
then we have rotavirus.
Okay.
Now DPT is coming 2 types, है ना? एक acellular pertussis है, एक whole cell. So now people know this as normal DPT versus painless DPT, right? It's up to you कौन सा लगाना है, बस साइड इफेक्ट्स का ही फर्क है.
हाँ, तो ये जो पेनलेस और पेन वाला होता है वो लिटरली वो टर्म ऐसे यूज करा गया है कि उसमें तो दर्द ही नहीं होगा,
ऐसा नहीं है,
क्योंकि नीडल का पेन तो वही है.
कोई भी 100% वो कोई नहीं,
ओनली दैट वो रिएक्शनरी फीवर वगैरह थोड़ा उसमें
थोड़ा सा
कम
कम
रहेगा.
है ना? Then now we have beautiful 6-in-1 vaccine.
Yes.
So number of pricks कम हो जाता है.
कम हो जाता है.
So we have these DPT, pneumonia, rotavirus, ऐसे 3 times लगते हैं. So suppose 6 weeks, 10 weeks and then 14 weeks, है ना? So ये
तो 16 and 14 पे
chunk.
सेम रहा
हाँ.
पूरा.
So जो भी 6 weeks पे लगता है, preferably same brand पे continue
बिल्कुल,
रखो,
of course.
है ना? Then the rotavirus is a oral diarrhea vaccine.
Yes.
So this is given orally. ये भी 3 बार, है ना?
No, right.
Then after this 6 months पे, 6 months पे we start the flu vaccination. Flu is given in 2 doses, 1 and 2, 1 month apart. And आजकल typhoid vaccine देते हैं 6 months onwards,
Right.
right? Then
तो मैम ये टाइफाइड इंजेक्टेबल रहता है, ओरल रहता है?
injectable.
Okay.
We now have the typhoid conjugate vaccine.
Okay.
So nowadays we are recommending only 1 dose after 6 months of age, है ना?
तो इसके बाद कभी बच्चे को टाइफाइड नहीं होगा क्या?
So see the vaccine, कोई भी vaccine 100% effective नहीं है,
अच्छा, ओके.
ठीक है? So this vaccine is around 80% effective and so ये करना चाहिए, right? इतना टाइफाइड
ऑल्सो
prevalence है.
शायद डिजीज की सिवियरिटी कम हो जाती है जब नेक्स्ट.
Because आजकल ये भी देखा है ना, अंडर 1s में भी टाइफाइड हो रहा था.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
And this is a typhoid conjugate vaccine, so it is much more purified
राइट.
and easily वो immunity mount कर सकता है.
बिल्कुल है.
So it's quite effective. हाँ.
राइट, राइट.
Then after flu 1 and 2, उसके बाद 9 months पे,
फ्लू 1 कब दिया था
6 months पे,
और फ्लू 2?
flu 2 at 7 months,
ओके, जस्ट
1
बिटवीन द
month
गैप ऑफ 1
apart,
मंथ. ओके.
है ना? And then we give 9 months पे MMR, measles, mumps, rubella.
ओके.
Then it's called the MMR vaccine. Then 9 months पे also we can give the meningitis जो brain fever वाला vaccine. So इस पे जो है, if suppose we give it 9 months, then we need to give another dose at 1 year of age.
ओके, गैप ऑफ 3 मंथ्स.
हाँ.
ओके.
अब अगर suppose 9 months पे meningitis vaccine नहीं दिया, then we can give one single vaccine at plus 2 years of age.
ओके.
ठीक है? So after 9 months, then we go to the 1 year वाला vaccine. 1 year vaccine में then we give hepatitis A का first dose.
ओके.
Hepatitis A is another hepatitis मतलब jaundice causing virus. So ये भी 2 doses में देते हैं 6 months apart.
ओके.
So first dose is given after first birthday.
राइट.
Then also we can give Japanese encephalitis.
Right. जी.
Japanese encephalitis के साथ ऐसा है ना, so many districts in India are affected by Japanese encephalitis. So many places it's given free of cost.
Okay.
तो Delhi it's not so endemic, but we do offer it.
Okay.
तो 1 year पे वो दे के then 1 month later we can do second dose of JE.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I at 15 months again all these rough ages होते हैं.
Okay.
Suppose 12 months पे दिया, then 14 to 15 months we have to give pneumonia का booster. Then we need to give MMR का second dose.
Second dose. Right.
Then chicken pox शुरू हो जाता है.
Right.
First dose.
Right.
Chicken pox के साथ ऐसा है, suppose we give it 15 months, then there are two ways we can do. Either we can give after 3 months the second dose of chicken pox vaccine,
Yes.
or we can give 4 plus also. मतलब
Okay.
it is both fun.
That window is there.
हाँ, and then we give at 1.5 years, we give the DPT का first booster.
Okay.
So DPT again is combined with
Right.
injection, polio,
Right.
fib and all these things.
सारा पूरा.
हाँ, the combination vaccine. And at that time also hepatitis का second dose of A वाला.
ये वाला.
Then
Which we gave at first year of.
first year of life. Then we come at 2. If it was not given, then we give the meningitis vaccine.
Okay. Okay. Right.
Then if the flu vaccine is being given, then every year एक flu vaccine देना चाहिए.
देना चाहिए. Okay.
Right?
Right.
Then बीच में थोड़ा सा gap रहता है. Then 4 to 6 के बीच में couple of boosters are there.
Yeah. But in
MMR
first 3 years, 4 years, ये वाला part.
हाँ.
Okay.
Then we do the MMR का एक booster.
Right.
We call it the school
Yeah.
before school
Before school.
going
Short. Yeah.
MMR shot. Then DPT का booster देते हैं 4.5-5 के बीच में.
Right. Right. So like that the vaccine. Ma'am, what about the vaccine that we give to teenage girls? Like होता है ना कि तो can you tell me something about that?
Are we talking about HPV vaccine?
Yeah, we are talking about
Huh?
HPV. Yeah.
Now see, HPV vaccine is being given to boys also.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
So now it is being called the cancer vaccine.
Yeah, they're
Right?
that.
So I will not call the girls vaccine anymore.
Okay. Yeah. So.
So now we have the 9 valent,
Mm-hmm.
9 serotypes
Mm-hmm.
in the HPV vaccine.
Okay.
It is Gardasil 9.
Okay.
They have got 9 serotypes. So for a girl, we are preventing against the cervical cancer,
Yes.
the vaginal cancer,
Yeah.
vulvar cancer,
Mhm.
as well as we are protecting against genital warts.
Okay.
For a boy,
Mm-hmm.
we are protecting against anal cancer, penile cancer, the oropharyngeal cancer.
Oh.
Yes. And what the genital warts. For them
Okay.
also.
Okay. And what's the age that is the vaccine is recommended?
So for both sexes,
Mm-hmm.
2 doses recommended between 9 to 15.
Mm-hmm.
After 15,
Mm-hmm.
it's 3 doses.
Okay. And taken how much apart?
So suppose before 15, we give 0
Mm-hmm.
and 6 months later. After 15, it is 0 month, 2 months,
Mm-hmm.
6 months.
Okay.
3 doses.
शायद जैसे हेपेटाइटिस बी का 016 होता था पहले, अब
Yes.
इसका 026 है.
Yes.
0 month, second month and 6 month. Okay. So वो vaccine should be advocated both to boys and girls now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So another thing was that, HPV vaccine, suppose the boy takes it, then he protects his future partner
Yes.
in the long run.
Yes. मैं हूं डॉक्टर गौरव निगम और आप देख रहे हैं डॉक्टर डैड क्लिप्स, जहां मिलती हैं एक्सपर्ट पेरेंटिंग और फैमिली हेल्थ गाइडेंस. फुल वीडियो देखने के लिए विजिट करें डॉक्टर डैड चैनल @DrDad_India और हमें सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए.
Thank you for watching this clip from the Dr. Dad Talk Show. Be a part of our parenting community for trusted guidance and clarity.